I worked out once this week. What's the point if I can't stick to it every day? Alright, let's talk about it. You set a goal to work out every day this week, but life happened. Maybe you got in one workout, maybe two, and now you're thinking, what's the point? If I can't stick to it every day, I might as well give up. Sound familiar? You're not alone. And here's the good news. That one workout still matters. A lot more than you think. Today, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why this all-or-nothing mindset is holding you back and how you can break free from it, for good. And if you stick till the end, I'll show you how to break free from this all-or-nothing mindset, plus practical tips for staying consistent. Reason 1. The all-or-nothing mindset sabotages you. Let me ask you something. How many times have you started a fitness plan, missed a day or two, and then felt like it was over? That's the all-or-nothing mindset talking. And guess what? It's not your fault. It's the way we've been trained to think. But here's the deal. Expecting perfection sets you up for failure. Life isn't perfect. Schedules get crazy. Motivation wavers. And guess what? That's okay. Fitness isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, even when things aren't ideal. Reason 2, why one workout still matters. Let's flip the script. Instead of thinking, what's the point? Let's ask, what did I accomplish? That one workout? It wasn't a failure, it was a step forward. Here's why it matters. Habits are built over time. Even a single workout reinforces the habit of movement. Each session makes it easier to show up the next time. Health benefits are immediate. Did you know that even one workout boosts your mood, improves circulation, and strengthens your heart? That's not nothing. Progress is about consistency, not perfection. It's what you do most of the time, not what you do perfectly, that gets results. So if you worked out once this week, congratulations! You're already ahead of where you were last week. Reason 3. The emotional toll of missing a workout. Let's get real. Missing a workout feels frustrating, and for a lot of us, it's not just about the missed workout. It stirs up those deeper emotions. I'm not disciplined enough. I'll never see results. Maybe I should just quit. But here's the truth. Missing a workout doesn't make you a failure. It makes you human. And fitness isn't about being perfect. It's about learning how to keep going, even when things don't go as planned. So, you missed a workout, now what? Here's what you don't do. Don't beat yourself up, don't quit. Don't fall into the trap of waiting for Monday to start over. Here's what you do. 1. Forgive yourself. Seriously, let it go. 2. Reflect on why you missed it. Was it time? Motivation? Something else? 3. Take one small step forward. A quick stretch, a walk, or even just planning your next workout is enough to reset. Missed workouts aren't failures, they're just part of the process. Alright, let's talk solutions. How do we break free from this all-or-nothing trap? Here are 4 strategies that actually work. Step 1. Redefine success. Success isn't working out every day, it's showing up when you can. Did you work out once this week? That's a win. Celebrate it. Step 2. Start small and build momentum. If committing to 5 days a week feels impossible, start with 2, or even just 10 minutes a day. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Step 3. Focus on the long game. Think about your fitness journey like a marathon, not a sprint. Missing 1 or 2 days doesn't erase your progress. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Step 4. Plan for imperfection. Life happens. Have a backup plan for when things don't go as expected. Can't get to the gym? Do a quick bodyweight workout at home or go for a brisk walk. Finally, practical tips for staying consistent. Staying consistent doesn't have to be complicated. Here are a few practical tips to make fitness fit into your life. 1. Plan your workouts like appointments. Write them into your calendar. 2. Keep it simple. Find activities you enjoy, so exercise feels less like a chore. 3. Track your wins, like better sleep, more energy, or less stress, even if they're not about the scale. Remember, it's not about doing it all, it's about doing what you can, when you can. So, you missed a workout. Just remember, missed workouts aren't failures, they're just part of the process. Here's what I want you to remember. One workout isn't just better than none, it's a huge win. Fitness is about progress, not perfection. So let go of the guilt, celebrate your efforts, and keep showing up for yourself, even if it's not perfect. You've got this, and every step forward, no matter how small, counts. If this video hit home for you, leave a comment below and tell me, what's one small step you can take today to move forward? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and encouragement. Let's redefine fitness together.